Meaning of handsomeness.
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 Handsomeness. Handsomeness refers to the physical attractiveness of a person, particularly in terms of their facial features. It is a subjective term that can vary depending on cultural and personal preferences. Handsome individuals are generally considered to have symmetrical and proportionate facial features, clear skin, and well-groomed appearance. This term is often used to describe men, although it can also be applied to women. Ultimately, handsomeness is a superficial characteristic that does not necessarily reflect a person's inner qualities or personality traits.